You have probably wondered how can you get new clients for your agency or coaching business by simply utilizing Instagram. In this video, I give you the very best tips and tricks that you need to do and implement right now if you want to make $10, $20, $30, $40, even $50,000 per month by simply attracting clients from Instagram completely for free. What is up, online CEOs? My name is Josue Pena, and welcome to today's video where we break down everything on how you can get new clients from Instagram or just utilizing Instagram for your business. Now, this part that we're going to talk about is all part of our book, Grow Your Gram. That's for agency owners, coaches, and course creators. And right now, we're giving it away completely for free. We're actually going to be charging here in the near future, but right now it's just completely for free when we release this video. So if you want this, just message me on Instagram, the word YouTube. We'll send it over to you right away. Again, completely for free. It breaks down a bunch of cool stuff, all the way from growing your page, all the way to getting clients, even a $1.2 million case study inside of our business that has allowed us to scale insanely quickly. So everything is broken down step by step in this book or this ebook. Just message me on Instagram, the word YouTube, and I'll send it over to you right away. Now, going back to our topic on how we can get clients utilizing Instagram and the best tips and tricks in order to do that, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So let's just jump into my computer right now and show you how this is done. All right, so the very first way that you can easily make money on Instagram is what we call growing a theme page or selling shoutouts, okay? And it's a very simple process. This right here, for example, is one of our pages, Elation Fitness. I actually started growing this page a very long time ago, and this is what's called a theme page. It's a page that's around a specific topic, in this case, fitness, and we were able to grow it to about 244,000 followers. Now, a couple things to take into account with this is that you obviously want to have a good name, a good handle that's rememberable or that's memorable, and you also want to have some sort of, consistent posting and content. In this case, for example, most of the content itself was designed for men that want to get ripped, fitness, gyms, etc. As you can see right here on this, right? So most of the content was around that specific topic. That way you're attracting those type of followers. Now, my suggestion is that you have a specific niche. So for example, if you're growing a page regarding fitness, don't just grow a page regarding fitness. Grow a page that's regarding fitness for men who do CrossFit, right? Or for example, a fitness page that's for women who want to lose baby fat. That way it's a little bit more specific and you niche down and you're able to attract the quality followers and audience to that specific page, which obviously in the future is going to help you monetize this page a lot better because it's a quote-unquote specialist, not a generalist. Now, after you grow that page, you're able to then sell shoutouts or promotions. Basically, people will contact you because they want to reach your specific audience on your page, which again, like I said before, if you niche down, more people in that niche that want to reach your audience are going to pay you and you can charge higher prices. And for those that don't know what a shoutout is basically another term for promotion. Somebody pays you to post on your Instagram account to promote the product or service, to get exposure, to grow their own IG account, or to get customers for their business. Most people, what they do is they use the DM contact to contact you. You agree on price and schedule everything else from there. There's also pages that allow you to post your account and promote your account to get more clients promoting on your page, like for example, Shoutcart or Plug Hype. So meaning a company will go to shoutcart.com, find your page, and then you promote their business and you get paid because of the Shoutcart platform. This is exactly what we do, for example, in one of our pages, Daily Art. I actually co-own this page. It's the biggest art page on Instagram with over 8 million followers. And on this page, we promote artists, companies, and a bunch of other cool stuff. And again, this page right here is another good example of another theme page, right? Where companies will pay us to promote their products and services with what we call shoutouts. Now, obviously, the hardest part from this method is actually growing the audience. Unless you already know how to grow or own multiple Instagram accounts with thousands of followers, it's going to take some time to build that follower count up. In order to start selling shoutouts, you can usually start selling shoutouts at about 10,000 followers. But if you would like to find out how to grow to 10,000 followers over the next 30 days, I actually just did a full YouTube video breaking down exactly how to do this. All you have to do to get both of those, just message me on Instagram right here, the word YouTube. That way you can start crushing it on Instagram and grow to 10, 20, even 100,000 followers over the next 30 days. So just go right here to my Instagram account and message me the word YouTube so I know that you're coming from the YouTube family. Now I'm going to give you a quick little tip of how you can get to 10,000 followers, and that's usually the follow on follow method. Now obviously I'm not very fan of this method because your account can get flagged and a bunch of other stuff, but it's a very easy way that you can start getting some traction on your Instagram account, and you simply just post viral content a few times a day that will hit the explore page. As you can see right here, that is exactly what we did on this account in order to grow it, simply by posting viral content that's already going viral and that we see on the explore page that's growing very, very quickly. And that's how we grew Elation Fitness to about 244,000 followers when we were actually growing it and we were focused on it. Now let's go over to number 2 on how you can start making money with Instagram, and that is flipping Instagram accounts. And what I mean by this is simply you go to buy an account, grow it a little bit more, and then you resell it after that. And obviously the price difference between what you sell it for and what you buy it for will be your profit. Most people don't really know how to grow an Instagram account and don't even know what an Instagram account is worth. So that is your advantage and where you will play. Many people also just want to get rid of their Instagram account fast because it takes a lot of time to grow and manage it. So what you can do is buy it from them, keep posting content, and then sell it for a profit. If you want to start flipping Instagram account, you can start with a very small budget that you're comfortable playing around with. You don't have to go all in here, obviously, but just make sure that you're knowledgeable first, you know how to grow, you know the intricacies of an Instagram account before you actually flip it. You can also use automation software to just buy an Instagram account, set it up inside of the automation and let it grow, and don't even touch it if you want to. And then in a few months from now, flip it for a profit. Now, obviously be aware, there's scammers and people out there that will say they will sell your Instagram account, but they never sell it, and they obviously scam you. So be aware with that. You can go to pages to make sure that you find good quality buyers and sellers. For example, like flipbass.com. This is only invite only, I believe, but this is a great platform that you can use to be able to flip Instagram accounts. And like I said, this is stuff that we have done ourselves as well. This page right here, World of Artists, again, another theme page that we grew very, very well to over 2.3 million followers. And then we sold it for a very, very hefty and Gucci profit. You can simply grow a theme page to a very big following and then sell it for a profit to a buyer that actually is interested in buying it from you. Which of course gets me to point number 3. If you don't want to flip Instagram accounts, which means buying it low and selling it high, you can always start an account from zero and grow from there and then sell it. Obviously, in this case, it does take more work, but you make more money and more profit. The idea here is that you grow accounts in the niches like, for example, fitness, like in this case, Elation Fitness, or travel, or art, like Daily Art, or like World of Artists, for example. And you can do all this with automation software. You can set it up once, let them grow, start from zero, and then sell it for a very hefty profit. Again, you can use platforms like Flipmass, Social Trader, or you can go to a forum like Epic NPC. Obviously, growing Instagram accounts does take a lot more work up front, but if you set it up with an automation software, it becomes kind of passive, and a lot more passive than, for example, selling shoutouts. That you obviously need to contact the clients, you need to negotiate the price for the shoutout, and then you obviously need to post the shoutout itself. But like I said, with everything, there's pros and cons. I'm here just showing you the different ways that you can make money on Instagram. Now on to number 4 on how you can make money from Instagram right now, and this is one of my favorite ones, and that is client management or building an Instagram agency. In fact, this is exactly how I made my very first $1 million on Instagram. We're able to receive an award for this in front of over 4,000 to 5,000 people, which is something super, super cool. Now, the benefit of this business model is that you create recurring revenue where you can charge clients on a weekly or monthly or yearly basis, depending on which contract you sign. Running an Instagram growth service for your clients can be very, very lucrative. And the idea here is that you use your expertise or your skill that you learn on how to grow Instagram accounts and you do it for your clients. The idea is obviously that if you can grow your clients' accounts and they're able to acquire more business from it, then they will be more than happy to pay you. And like I said, is one of my favorite ones because it just simply works and you're able to stack cash, monthly recurring every single month. Now on to number 5, which is coaching or consulting. And here it's very straightforward. The idea is that you contact potential clients, you tell them your hourly or your monthly rate to jump on a call with them and teach them, and you teach them how to grow and market on Instagram. The reason why consulting is last is because obviously you need to have good experience on Instagram and you need to be able to offer consulting to your clients and have them have results. But the cool part is that after you become experienced on Instagram marketing and sales, then obviously you can do this and consult with clients and simply teach them how to do it themselves. So make sure that you only offer this after you become an expert at growing and monetizing Instagram accounts. But once you do, consulting or coaching can be extremely lucrative. This is also a business model that we do to this very day, and it's one of the most profitable things that we do inside of our company, right? We do offer done-for-you services where we manage entire Instagram accounts for our clients, but we do offer also coaching or consulting for those clients that want to learn themselves and do the work themselves. But again, make sure that you only do consulting after you have become an expert, because the idea is that you always lead by example, because nobody wants to pay somebody that actually hasn't done the thing that they're actually teaching you or telling you to do. And the cool part about business model number 4 and number 5 is you can scale this to insane numbers. Like again, I've done millions of dollars with business model number 4 and number 5. And that's the cool part about this all, that every single level that we talked about in this video is stacks upon each other, and you can make more money by offering more services. And those were the best tips and tricks for you to get new clients just utilizing Instagram. So if you want us to break down now how you can scale from $10, $20, $30, or even $50,000 per month to over $100,000 or $200,000 in just a single month, utilizing Instagram and even utilizing Instagram ads, just comment the word down below in the comment section, the word Instagram. If we got a lot of people commenting and a lot of people interested, we're gonna do another video where we break down everything step by step and show you exactly how you can run Instagram ads to scale this so much further. Now, if you would like our one-on-one help, just click the very first link in the description. You're gonna be able to jump on a one-on-one diagnosis session where we're able to see your business, dissect it, and then give you specific strategies inside of your business to be able to implement it and grow it quicker. I'm also going to give you a very short 20-minute case study and workshop where we break down step by step how what we call the profit diamond framework, which is over there in that whiteboard right there, where we break that down and how we can help you do it. So very first link down below in the description. Everything's going to be broken down step by step, the profit diamond framework, and from there we can jump on a one-on-one call to see how we can help and serve you and diagnose exactly what do you need inside of your business. So click the very first link in the description. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button down below and that red subscribe button. And lastly, if you want this book, make sure you message me on Instagram, the word YouTube. Again, that's all I got for you today. And yeah, just go message me on Instagram if you want the book. And that's all I got for you today. Hit that like button and that subscribe button down below. And we'll see you on the next one.